Hello friends, it's me. If you're new here, I'm Rhoda Snyder, and kindly subscribe. If you already subscribed, then thank you so much. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to knit this table mat. So we are going to use old cloth and yarn. First things first, I'm cutting the cloth. Cut it vertically so that it may be longer. Make a knot on the yarn. Then knit over and under the yarn. So first is under, then you make two knots to give it space. Then you go under again, bring it once, bring it twice, then make two knots. Then under again, bring it once, bring it twice, make two knots. So we are just going to repeat this step until the mat is complete. You can twirl the cloth, the piece of cloth, so that knitting over it may be easier. So after you've gone for about 5 to 4 times, fold the part that you started with. Then now when you're knitting, you won't go just under the cloth, but you pick on the yarn that's already knitted on the piece of cloth. Saying it makes it sound complicated, but it's not. Just watch and learn, guys. It's very simple. So as you continue knitting, you'll see a pattern being formed right there in the middle part, and it continues just as you continue also. And in this video, I'm going to use 3 colors. I've started with white, then I'll use maroon, and then finish with green. You can blend the colors as you wish or as you like. See the pattern I was talking about, it's already coming out, you can see it. And if you love brighter colors, try doing this with a red cloth. Red and white comes out so nice, but as for me, I'm using this pink one. Just whatever you have, that's just an idea. And as you can see, the first piece of cloth is almost finished, so I'm going to put another one to make it longer, because I can't just use this tiny bit there. I've already done the maroon part, just continuing with it. You go under once, over once and twice, then you make the knot. Under once, over once and twice, then make two knots. It's just a continuous step that will bring out this pattern. So this tablecloth, you can use it, it prevents food from burning you or burning the table. Depends on where you are eating. If you're outside, you can put it on your lap and then use it. So in this case, we'll assume your lap is the table. So can we call it a lap mat? No, just a table mat. Table mat sounds better. You can put your cup of tea or cup of coffee, or your plate of rice, whichever food you are eating. So I'm going to show you how to make the cloth longer with the other one. Just put it inside and roll, as simple as that. And it won't even show. You can't even see where the two have been put together. So just continue knitting and that part will pass like that. You'll see after I'm done that you can't really notice where the piece of cloth, you can't really notice where the two pieces of cloth have been put together. It's just a continuous one piece. So I'm also going to show you how to change the yarn, because you can see I started with the white one and now I'm in the maroon. I'm using the maroon yarn. You can roll it several times on your finger so that you have an easy time doing your work. If you've watched this video up to this point and think that it was worth watching, it has not wasted your time, then hit the thumbs up, that's the like button. If you're new, as I've already said, then kindly subscribe and remember to hit the notification bell for more of my updates. So as we continue with the knitting, this pin I'm using is a 3.5 pin. You can use a 2.5. It also works best with this thread, this kind of yarn I mean. The longer the cloth, the wider the mat, so this step can also be used to make a doormat. Now let me now show you how to mix the colors. You just tie the yarn of the colors that you want, then cut the edge like that, and then continue knitting as if nothing happened. And as you can see, that part is going to disappear in the next few seconds. And just like that, voila, it's done. You can't even see where I mixed them. You can't see the knot I made. So let's do the edge, the final part. The piece of cloth just ended there. Now we are going to narrow down the knitting until we make the green ends meet. So next time you have a piece of cloth or you have some clothes that are old, don't burn them or throw them away. Just use them to make something nice in the house. Make them new, recycle them. Is it recycle or reuse? Whichever, but just use it and make something nice. Like this one, I know I won't wear it again, but at least I know it will still be there on my table, looking so nice. Up to this point, if you've enjoyed watching, then kindly hit the like button, the thumbs up, and share with your friends, with your family. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then kindly subscribe. And what else? Comment and tell me what you think about it, or any other video that you may want me to do, that you don't know how to do but you think I can do it. So just tell me in the comment section and I'll try it. There, it's done. This the top part and the bottom part. Remember to hit the notification bell for more of my updates, and also watch my other videos in this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Love you guys.